Hey buds, what we got for you today is this 2014 202 SSIO Hurricane deck boat. The trailer that it's sitting on right now is a 2018. If you're looking for any rips or cuts in these seats, you're not gonna find them. This boat has been kept in great shape. Under the seats, very neat and clean. This boat has 47 hours on it. It's great for just getting on the water with your family, having a great time. If you're looking to do that, come out and see us with this 4.3 Mercruiser engine. 47 hours on this 2014 20-foot Hurricane deck boat. Come out and see us, buds. Have a good one.